Hello everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Today I'm gonna show you a very easy summer dish we make in Turkey with common summer veggies, eggplants, squash, potatoes, tomatoes, onion and peppers. It will be a vegan dish. We are just going to chop everything and then stock in a special order depending on how hard are the veggies. Olive oil, some salt, not much spices. This way we're gonna get the flavors from the veggies and the steamed cooking technique. Let's begin. So I chopped all the veggies in a certain order. First the onion, then the potatoes, eggplants, squash, garlic, and I seasoned on some layers with some salt and olive oil, and finally the tomatoes. As you can see, I cut them in four and then sliced them thinner than cubes. This way it will cook more evenly. For the squash, since it is softer, it cooks in shorter time than the other veggies, I put it on top and cut it a bit more thicker. So what is left is to season it with some more salt and paprika, drizzle some olive oil and a little bit of water, not too much because it's gonna release its juice anyway. We don't want to add too much. It will have only a bit water when it's cooked and will be delicious. I lowered the heat to very low after I get the sizzling sound and the steam is coming, and now I'm counting the time. It's 6:50. I will tell you when it's done. Okay, within 20-25 minutes my summer veggie dish was ready. You can check after 18-20 minutes because it will also continue to cook in the pan while resting. Check, turn off the heat and make sure to let it rest at least for 15 minutes to mingle all the flavors and become in a reasonable temperature to eat. You can serve either warm or at room temperature. Both are very delicious because it doesn't have any meat. Meanwhile, I made my pasta with pepper paste sauce. Very simple, easy way of making pasta in Turkey. You can make simple cacık dish by grating some cucumbers in plain yogurt and then dilute it with some water, add salt and dried mint. Very simple and delicious. Or just serve it plain yogurt with some seasonal salad. But today I'm gonna serve it with watermelon. We really love as a side dish instead of salad during summertime, and it also goes well with eggplant dishes. So let me serve to a plate and taste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is very delicious, my friends, but if you want like very soft, you can even cook for another 5 minutes, so in total 25, let's say. But this is also very nice, not overcooked as I thought. The eggplants were a little bit, but not the squash. Very flavorful but light at the same time. Perfect. The only thing I can suggest would be to add more tomato if you have 2 big tomatoes for it, or 3, 4 even. You can also use more garlic in it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Give it a try. I have many other eggplant dishes and similar one pot easy dishes on my channel. You can check from the links. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Afiyet olsun.